There seems to be a condition that many of us suffer from. We pay extra attention to our front yards just to impress our neighbors that we know damn straight will never compliment us to our face. And in the meantime, your backyard gets kicked to the side of the road like a three-legged dog at the pound. There's an ancient tradition that dates back to the days of the original lawn fathers that I want to share with you. But I must warn you, this method is not for the faint of heart, but if you execute it properly, you can reap more green and lush bounties than your heart can ever desire. Lately, I've been so busy with my front yard renovation that I completely neglected my backyard. I got frickin' 10-foot weeds growing, bald areas that make the bald spots on my head look like a joke. Today, my friends, marks the first day of the fall nitrogen blitz. If your lawn is looking thin, dead, and decrepit, like a grim reaper in a rocking chair, this is a surefire way to thicken things up. The concept is simple. You simply throw down a half a pound of nitrogen every 2 weeks until the end of the season, and you will see tremendous results. But I must warn you, if you don't like to mow your lawn, this is probably not a good option for you. If you take a look over here, I got this tub full of fast release urea nitrogen. The analysis on this is 21%. So I'm gonna throw this down at a half a pound per 1,000 square feet. But before I go start my blitz, I gotta go mow the lawn real quick. Now that the temperatures have dropped, I'm about to push the hell out of my lawn in the backyard and get it to that awesome healthy lawn that it once was. If you're looking for this fertilizer, you can find it at your local farm supply or co-op, and it's very effective at pushing growth. Much better than any of this top shelf cookie cutter Justin Bieber type fertilizer you'll find online. So who exactly is the perfect candidate for the fall nitrogen blitz? If you have a lot of thin areas in your lawn, or if you have a lawn that you just want to spread out more or thicken up, then I definitely recommend doing this. But I do want to warn some of you guys who have a lot of disease pressure. I would definitely hold off until your disease pressure goes down to maybe around mid-September, depending where you are, because you don't want to feed the lawn fungus that you might have currently in your lawn. So just hold off until temperatures go down, humidity goes down, and you'll be good to go. When the end of your season starts approaching and you start seeing the grass slow down, throw down one last heavy dose of fast release nitrogen. Not many people know that the grass actually keeps growing once it stops doing top growth, but the roots start growing deeper down. So if you throw down this fast release nitrogen, the roots can still absorb it and it can get a head start on next spring. I encourage you guys, if you want to learn more about the nitrogen fall blitz, that you go to thelawnforum.com. There's several pages and several forums that are on there dedicated just to the nitrogen blitz. I hope I was able to help you guys out. If you enjoyed my video and this is the first time that you came here, my name's George and I'm obsessed with my lawn. So click that subscribe button if you want to see more lawn madness. Peace.